This preliminary study explored how to make otherwise passive bystanders into an integral part of virtual reality experience using asymmetric game design. We present Save the Yummy Candyland, a collaborative VR escape room station co-designed by Namibian school children. One player using a VR headset enters the digital world of Candyland, where they needed to follow instructions given by their co-players who are given an encrypted real-world paper game manual. 10 Namibian school children split into 3 groups evaluated the game. Both the children inside and outside of VR were excited and willing to play the game through, despite the game being too complex, with too little feedback and a number of design issues, which required much guidance from the researchers.